This is the part 3. So get some activator. Which one? This one. Okay, let's get activator and pour just a little bit. So it's like 3 to 5 drops of the activator mix well. So just 1 drop because this is so small slime. Okay, that's okay. We drop it, guys. Look, we drop it. So mix well. Oh my god. You see? It's making a slime. It's so easy, right? Smells like bubble gum. If you want more glue, and then add it another slime. Tap and no. Can write your slime. Decorate in foam beads, glitters, beads like that. So let's have a glitters or this. I don't have a glitters, but I have small something. So this is the actually. I don't see the smaller one. But I don't see the smaller one. Where is it? I don't see it. Where is it? There's nothing there. Oh, this one. Maybe. So this is the smallest one I have in this. This is so small by the way. Okay. So let's put it. This is so small. So okay. So let's. Oh my god! Oh, it's so sticky, but that's okay because slime is so sticky. Please like the video for more views and more contents. So let's put it back. Oh, this is so small actually. So let's add another one. This is so small, right? I don't know. So let's have another one.